Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cruise essentials is probably one of the most exciting things to prepare for, and it's even better when you're well equipped. From packing the right outfits to having the perfect accessories, being prepared can make all the difference. In this video, we're diving into the must-have cruise essentials for women, ensuring you're ready for smooth sailing and unforgettable moments. Number 5. BAGSMART Baby Pink Medium Travel Toiletry Bag. This BAGSMART travel bag is designed for optimal organization. It features multiple compartments to keep everything in its place. It's perfect for family trips, accommodating toiletries for everyone. The bag has inner pockets with elastic straps to keep bottles upright. The double zippered compartment allows easy access. Transparent sides provide a clear view of the contents. It includes a 360-degree swivel hook for hanging. The two-way zipper ensures quick access. The carry handle also serves as a hanging strap, making it very convenient. Made with water-resistant polyester, this bag is well padded to maintain its shape. It protects your items and is suitable for use near a wash basin. This bag is lightweight and easy to carry. It's ideal for overnight stays, long journeys, gym visits, and outdoor activities. It's the perfect travel companion. What we like? This toiletry bag features a convenient hanging hook, perfect for maximizing space in a small cruise cabin. It also boasts multiple compartments to keep your essentials organized. If you're looking to keep your toiletries tidy and easily accessible, especially in a compact space, this is a great choice. What people say. There are 4 zippered sections with clear plastic to see everything. The material feels durable and easy to clean, which is perfect for travel. It has plenty of space to fit all my essentials without being bulky, and the compartments help keep everything organized and easy to find. Number 4. WATERFLY Sling Backpack, Travel, Hiking, Chest Bag, Black. This sling bag is designed to keep everything in order. It features multiple compartments to store your essentials like an iPad mini, phone, and power bank. Inside, there are separate small compartments for makeup, keys, and more. Enjoy your music on the go with the hidden earphone hole. This feature provides easy access to your earphones, allowing you to listen to music anytime, anywhere. The shoulder strap can be adjusted and connected to either the left or right earring. This allows for comfortable wear on either shoulder. The strap also includes a pouch that can easily hold a phone with a screen size under 7 inches. Made with water-resistant material, this bag is perfect for various activities. The shoulder strap and back are crafted from breathable material, ensuring comfort during travel and outdoor adventures. Whether you're hiking, enjoying a day out, or visiting an amusement park, this bag is your ideal companion. It offers versatility for all your adventures. If you have any issues, please contact us. What we like? The crossbody design keeps your belongings secure and easily accessible. It also includes a hidden earphone hole for listening to music on the go. If you prioritize security and convenience while exploring the ship or port, this bag is a perfect fit. What people say. Its small form and multiple pockets made it easy to take along and have space for my large passport wallet, medications, snacks, water, and miscellaneous. Nice and lightweight, with plenty of room and pockets for safe storage. The zipper is nice and smooth and durable. The functionality and versatility of this bag is perfect for people that are tired of having things in their pockets. Number 3. BAGAIL Packing Cubes, Cream. This set is made of smooth and durable fabric. It protects your clothes from wrinkles and stains. The high-performance material can withstand wear and tear, and it's water repellent. The light fabric ensures you can store your clothes neatly without adding extra weight. The double-way zipper with an extended cord makes it easy to use. The mesh top panel protects clothes and helps you identify what's inside. These packing cubes help you separate your clothes with different sizes and colors. It saves you time by avoiding misplacing items and helps you make full use of the space in your luggage. They fit into different sizes of suitcases. The small bags can also fit in carry-on bags, totes, and backpacks. It's suitable for family breaks, business travel, vacations, and more. These packing cubes help you sort and organize your clothes for easy access. This saves you time and effort while maximizing your travel comfort. What we like? These packing cubes help you organize your luggage and save space. The durable fabric protects your clothes from wrinkles. If you're a meticulous packer who wants to maximize space and keep your clothes neat, these cubes are essential. What people say. The set includes a variety of useful items, such as a travel bottle set, a foldable shopping bag, and a passport holder. The travel bottle set is TSA approved, which is convenient for air travel. The foldable shopping bag is compact and easy to carry around. Number 2. ODODOS Mini Belt Bag, adjustable and versatile. This mini belt bag offers multiple ways to wear it. You can carry it as a cross bag, shoulder bag, waist bag, or even a handbag. It's all about your preference. This lightweight bag is easy to carry and provides plenty of room for your essentials. It can hold your phone, wallet, keys, and more, offering great convenience. Made with durable, water-resistant fabric, zippers, and straps, this bag is built to last. It's designed to withstand daily use and resist abrasion. Designed for everyone, this bag is perfect for daily use, outdoor activities, gym workouts, running, biking, and travel. It's a great companion for any adventure. Looking for a gift? This bag is a great idea for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a thoughtful present that anyone would appreciate. What we like. This mini belt bag features an adjustable strap, allowing you to wear it in multiple ways. It's also lightweight and water-resistant. If you prefer hands-free convenience for daily activities or shore excursions, it is a great option. What people say. There are a few mesh side pockets on the inside of the main compartment and then a large outer zippered pocket as well. Plenty of room for all the basics. Will easily fit a wallet, phone, keys, and even a pocket Bible, so plenty of room for some extras. It's super comfortable, waterproof, and had plenty of pockets, which was useful on a trip. The inner pockets are great for organizing and having things at a quick reach. The back zipper pocket is also great for keeping things like passports and money secure when traveling. Number 1. Cruise on Cruise Approved Power Strip. This power strip is designed specifically for cruise ships. It is a non-surge protector, making it compliant with major cruise lines. This is a must-have for your cruise essentials. This power strip is fully compliant with major cruise lines. Please note that it is not allowed on Royal Caribbean cruise ships. It is designed for your convenience. It's approved for Carnival, Celebrity, Princess, Norwegian, Holland America, MSC, and Virgin Voyages. This power strip is essential for your cruise. It will make your trip easier. With 2 USB ports and 3 AC outlets, it can power up to 5 devices at once. It works with iPhone, iPad, Android, and Samsung devices. You can charge all your devices at once. This travel power strip is mini-sized, compact, and lightweight. It's easy to pack and carry. It is perfect for travel. This product is guaranteed by Cruise On, your trusted brand for cruise essentials. You can rely on this product for your cruise. What we like. This power strip is specifically designed to be cruise approved, ensuring compliance with major cruise lines. It offers multiple outlets and USB ports in a compact size. If you need to charge multiple devices and stay connected while on your cruise, this is a must-have. What people say. Just enough USB ports for me to charge my iPhone, iPad, with adapter, iWatch, and Dive computer. The cable has a shield that protects from angular fraying. Worked perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.